Hello, my name is Matthew Peterson, a geology undergrad at the University of Idaho, and I'm here to explain my choice on design for an infographic on cryovolcanoes. This will include principles on focal points, repetition, color theory, and continuation. All of these principles are part of the large idea of data visualization, a better way to convey statistics and data to the audience, which here means an interested general public. The majority of this infographic was put together in Microsoft Publisher. The primary focal point is clearly the Excel graph in the center of the eruption cloud. This is the basis for the mystery behind Triton's cryovolcanoes. The graph compares the silica content of different lava flows across our solar system, from large flood basalts on Earth to flows on Mars, Io, and Triton. Triton's clearly different from anything we've ever seen. When it came to repetition, I wanted to use shapes that would pertain to actual volcanic activity, but could also be easily visualized. Bubbles from the Circle Shapes tool were perfect because I could edit them with the text tool and add statistics in short sentences. This is effective, especially for the non-scientific community that wants quick, simple information. They also represent the liquid to vapor state of water, ammonia, methane, and nitrogen on Triton. The coloration of the infographic both disobeyed and obeyed the general color theory proposed by many professionals. I took a great risk in using a black gradient background, but it does work well with the topic of cryovolcanoes in the outer reaches of our solar system. It also contrasts well with the three shades of blue, electric, cerulean, and cobalt, that were used as hue saturation. This fits well into the color theory and has a low chance of overwhelming viewers. Finally, continuation and symmetry were the toughest challenge when I created this infographic. If the reader first focuses on the graph, and then moves down the cone to the bubbles, this would be backwards from the process of a volcanic eruption. Symmetry was difficult, especially in the placement of bubbles inside the cone. I specifically split the 12 statements up into 4 groups of 3, each group corresponding to a different color. The other bubbles were placed at random, which is more realistic to actual volcanic conditions. Overall, the graphic design for this infographic is effective at conveying statistics and data to my audience. It is very simple and structured, so there isn't a need for paragraphs. The coloration and symmetry are appealing from a distance and up close, and there is a definitive repetition. It fits the bill for a great representation of data visualization.